How to fix app crashing on Android 2021. Uninstall Android system, web view, Gmail stop working. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix app crashing on Android 2021. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, what you need to do here, you have to just go to Play Store, and then here what you need to do after going to Play Store, you just need to click on this 3 days on the top left corner, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So what you need to do here, you have to click on My Apps and Games option on the first option on your Google Play Store. Now after clicking here, this type of interface will be pop up. So what you need to do, you have to click on this install button on the option, and then here you will find lots of applications. Just scroll down here, and then you have to select for Android system web view. You can see here, just click on this, and then here you can see make sure to update your Android system web view. So after updating this, what do you need to do, you have to go to your phone settings. Here after going to phone settings, go to app management and install apps or something related to apps. So here you will find the application which has been installed to your phone, which has been downloaded to your phone. So here you have to search for email, Gmail. So after searching for Gmail, here you have to click on storage usage, and then you have to click on clear cache and go back, and here you can see storage usage, again clear cache, and then go back, and here manage permission, and you have to allow each and every permission. Just go back, switch off your phone and re-switch in, restart your phone. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.